Macadam app, the step counter, rewards, and daily walks. So here is the app, and here you have it. Discover Macadam, the revolutionary application that turns physical activity into real money. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll in the middle of a running workout, every step you take is converted into dollars. Macadam is compatible with connected watches and uses your phone step counter via Apple Health to track every step you take, every calorie you burn, and every meter you walk. So yeah, that's the idea. So you can just go and install it. So just double click to install it. The app converts your steps into money, win real dollars, increase earnings with challenges. And then here you have it. So that's the idea. And then you just need to go and create an account. So here you can then just enter your name. And then you can select all of this. You can select notifications, allow tracking. Then you can just easily sign in with Apple, for example. Then you need to allow steps to counters, give access to your health data, and then basically your step counter, validate step every day before midnight to collect your coins. And then try now and earn your welcome bonus. So now you earned your 100 coins. So great. So you earned all of this. And continue. And then that's basically the idea. And you're earning coins. And then there are also some gift things. And there you have it. So now again, you can just validate your steps and continue like that. And then you can also play games to earn some revenue. Welcome bonus, so 100 coins. And then there are all different challenges. Then you can also play games. You can answer questions. Then you can also find some spots, go to these spots, and like you can then just, so there are a lot of permissions. So you just decide whether you want to give all of these permissions. I'm just showing you. That's a lot of tracking. But here you have also that's the idea. And then you can see your like leaderboard. You can invite your contacts. And then there is some kind of use the code and receive 1,000 coins as soon as you sign up. So here is the link. So you can just use that. So yeah, for example, that's the idea in here. So something like that. That's the app. And you know, these walking apps are pretty cool. Like for example, I have maybe 5 of them. And if you're walking a lot, you can just sync your health data to like 5 apps, and with all of these apps you're earning coins and rewards. And actually, if you're doing like 10,000 steps per day, in the end of the month you can really, you know, cash out. Obviously these are not hundreds of dollars, but you can really earn some gift cards, some few dollars there, few dollars there, some challenges. It's quite fun. So I really recommend you to install this app, and also like few other apps like Sweat Wallet, some others, and you can earn a lot of crypto just by walking every day. I don't know how then you cash out in here, but yeah, like units of measurements, you can delete your account, but that's your referral code, and then you can just get this referral code. So there you have it.